Okay, guys, we haven't posted in a while, but there's a slight risk for parts of Kansas and Missouri, so we'll get into that soon. There is a funnel cloud reported. There's no severe thunderstorm warning or anything on this, so don't worry about a tornado. Um, this is near Clinton. Yeah, you're getting some heavy rain and stuff like that, but it's not too bad. This is the radar animation. It is real slow, but yeah, you see that tornado signature right there. Just watch that. Yeah, I'm not seeing a lot of rotation in this past storm right there. No, not a lot. I don't know. You never know. It could have just been like someone thought it was a funnel cloud, but really not. But these are usually found, spotted by train spotters. So, we don't really know. But there's this pretty big storm over here with a large hail core. You can see that hook echo right there, even though there's not a tornado. This is heading straight forward. Wichita Valley Center got pelted by hail. Yeah, 2 inches in diameter, 2.5 inches in diameter. Yeah, look at this storm. It's looking pretty strong. A lot of hail. This is sending towards Park City, Wichita, Derby, Oxford, and those places. So yeah, big storm. And then we got this other severe thunderstorm warning. It expires in 8 minutes. This includes Harvey County in Kansas. And this one expires in 38 minutes. And it includes Sedgwick. Yeah, Sedgwick County in Kansas again. So, yeah, big storm right here. And right for the radar site, like Wichita and all those places, yeah, big gust front is going to come through driven by some strong hail. It might be just hailing for like 5 minutes, 3 to 10 minutes, maybe. Yeah, Park City, you're already getting hit. This is probably going to be hitting Wichita by the time I post this. So, yeah, look at that. The hail core is usually real small, but what I just circled, it is actually real big. We got winds exceeding 70 miles per hour, exceeding 67, 65 miles an hour, up to 75. Yeah, huge hail core. The hail was stronger before, and it's kind of weakening. I'll post if they issue a tornado warning or anything. Look, watch Valley Center. Boom. You see that color real quick right there? I'm going to slow it down a little so you'll be able to see it better. Yeah, big storm right here. And you can see that right there. That almost looks like a debris ball, but it's not. There's no tornado. So, I've seen some storms like that. Like they have the, supercell shape, that huge hail core, and the hook echo. But, this one doesn't. I've seen one like that, and it turned into a tornado. But, you never know. This could happen soon. But, yeah, watch Sedgwick and Valley Center. You can see it gets way stronger. So this might be weakening, but, I'll post you if they update the severe thunderstorm warning. But then you got that huge severe thunderstorm watch around that whole area. And then you have this other warning right here. This should expire in about 5 minutes. The severe threat has gone down. I'm not seeing any hail or tornado signatures or anything like that. Not even like, strong winds. Alright, this is the overall risk. And you can see that includes central and eastern Kansas and central western Missouri. This includes most of Kansas And then you can see a glitch right there where it shows, lines right there. Yeah, I can't stop looking at the storm. It's looking pretty cool on radar. Yeah, you have that gust front and it's going to start hailing. So yeah, large hail driven by severe winds. This is going to cause roof damage. We got golf ball, tennis ball size hail. Yeah, about golf ball size or tennis ball. But before it's probably like baseball size, and then you have this other storm behind it. Here's what I want to talk about. Some of those places that already got hit by the storm, like Wichita. I'll get into that later. Yeah, that's the overall slight risk. Includes Kansas City, Wichita. And then the marginal risk includes Ashland, Jefferson City, Columbia, St. Louis, and those places. I'm going to change to another radar. Yeah, I'm getting into this now. So look at this. You see where it's going? You see Valley City, Park City, Wichita. You see that storm behind it? Like, this is heading straight towards Sedgwick. See that? They're all going in the same direction. And they both got some very strong hail. They're both severe warned. Then you got that storm right there, but let's not worry about that one. So, places like Park City, Sedgwick, Wichita, you're going to get hit twice by a very strong storm. This is heading closer and closer to the radar site, and that's about it.